In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom product labels in Shopify for both your product pages and your collection product cards. We're going to start inside your Shopify admin. Head to your store's home screen, then click Online Store. I will now show you our current theme, and you'll notice there aren't any labels showing yet on the storefront. Now, go to Themes page, open the Actions menu for your theme, and click Duplicate. This is important because anytime you're editing theme code, you want a safe backup you can roll back to if needed. Once the theme duplicates, open Actions again on the duplicated theme and click Edit Code. In the code editor, we'll be working inside the snippets area first. Click Snippets in the left-hand sidebar, then click. Add a new snippet. You'll name the snippet exactly as shown in the reference doc you're following. Then create the file. The link for this reference doc is in the description of this video. Once that new snippet file is created, go back to the reference doc, copy the first block of code for step 1, paste it into the snippet file you just created, and then click Save. Now we're going to connect that snippet to the product page media area so labels can display over the main product images. In your reference doc, copy the next line of code for step 2. Then, back in Shopify's code editor, open the product media gallery.liquid file. Paste that line of code into the file exactly where the reference shows it should go, then save. After that, we'll connect the labels to your product cards so they show on collection pages as well. Go back to the reference doc again, copy the next line of code for step 3, then in Shopify's code editor, open card product.liquid. Paste the line of code into that file where the reference indicates and save again. At this point, the theme is ready to display labels, but we still need to create the custom data structure that powers them. So now you'll exit the code editor, go back to your Shopify admin, and open Settings. From Settings, click Custom Data, which is where Shopify manages meta fields and meta objects. We'll create the meta object first. Under Meta Objects, click Add Definition. Name this definition Label. Then you'll add the first field called Title, and set the field type to single line text. After that, click Add Field again and create a second field called Color, using US spelling exactly like that. For the field type, choose Color. Once both fields are created, click Save. Now we'll create the product meta field that lets you assign one or more of these labels to each product. Still in Custom Data, go to Meta Fields and choose Products. Click Add Definition. Name this meta field Labels. Then, for the meta field type, select List of Values, because you want to be able to add more than one label to a product if needed. After you've chosen List of Values, click Select Type. Choose Meta Object, and then select the label meta object you created earlier. Save that meta field definition. Now the setup is done, and you can start adding labels to products. Go to Products in your Shopify admin and open the product you want to label. Scroll down until you see the meta fields section on the product page. Find the labels meta field you created, then click into the field next to it. Choose Add New Entry. From here, the rest is manual, and it's the part you'll repeat anytime you want to create a new label. Enter the label title you want customers to see, then choose the color you want the label to display in. Click Save for that entry. If you want multiple labels on the same product, you can add another entry right away and repeat the same process. Title, color, save. Once you've added all the labels you want on that product, make sure you save the product itself so the meta field changes are locked in. Now let's check your work on the storefront. Open the product page and confirm the label is showing over the main product media area. Then go to the collection page where that product appears and confirm the label is also showing on the product card. And that's it. You've now set up a clean system where labels are controlled from Shopify's custom data, and you can reuse the same labels across multiple products without touching code again. Just add entries, save, and you'll see them appear on both the product page and the collection grid.